SBET stock analysis. This is for tomorrow, Friday and onwards. So in this 1-minute video, what I'll be breaking down is my exact play with Sharplink Gaming, especially $12.92 with an 8% increase in price. If I zoom out, man, just look at this thing, right? It's just absolutely freaking out of this freaking world. I know it kind of pumped up decently bullish, but it's not it for me. It's not like I'm now bullish. No, it's actually quite the opposite. Like, having done 42,000 videos over the last 5 years and calling out like 20 X's on here, I've seen what's printing. And especially with a situation like that, if there is a double break, I'm still looking to take it further down. Like, I don't know why people do not understand. I mean, please do your own due diligence. Like, don't listen to me blindly. But that's my subjective opinion. And I want to hear yours, right? This will only make sense from a sell side perspective if there is a double break. And if not, I don't care. So if you want my exact plays and all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. Absolute risk free. 1,200 people already tried it, and I'll see you in the next one.